So, andito pa rin tayo sa Field Residences in Parañaque City to check this new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclose Hub. So, let's go and check this out. So, this is the unit, around 27 square meters and around 2.7 million. Yan, as you can see, may mga gamit po siya. 1 bedroom with balcony. Around 2.7 million regular price. Discounted price is around 2.5 million subject to management approval. So yan po ang view niya. Yun ang SM City Sukat. This is available in cash or at least 10 to 20% spot down payment and then 80 to 90% balance. In-house and bank financing plus taxes and fees. If you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. This is as is where is upon turnover and submission of offers first come first serve basis. So as you can see, may mga gamit po tayo dito sa loob ng unit. Lahat ng movables inside this unit hindi po kasama sa sale. Tatanggalin po yan ng bangko. Ita-turn over po sa inyo to ng malinis. Yan. So yung mga tables, chairs, sofa, yan, ref, appliances, even air conditioning unit, lahat po yan ipo-pull out. So again, if you are interested, message us directly. Amenities dito. Ganda rito. So, andito tayo sa amenity area or yung parang central park ng Field Residences. Located to in Parañaque and Las Piñas. Dalawa yung address nito eh. Yung building 1 to 5 or 6, parang Parañaque siya. Yung 6 to 8 is Las Piñas. Ayan. So yes, binaha dito nung huling bagyo ba yun, Christine. Yung building 5 ang binaha dito, sabi ng mga guard. Pero hanggang lang naman, yung ground floor area lang naman and mabilis din na bumaba yung tubig. Yan. So, ang remedy dyan, kung ayaw natin ng baha, di dun tayo sa iba kumuha. Pero kung yung budget natin is swak lang dito, dahil affordable nga dito, below market and zonal value, kuha na lang tayo ng mga higher floor, mga second, third, pataas. And meron kami mga available dito for as low as 100,000 per square meter. Yan. So ito yung amenity area niya. If you are interested, message us directly. Ano lang yun. So dito may amenity area pa rin dito. Check natin. Parks and playground. Parks and playground, may gym din dito. Swimming pool kumpleto. Resort type amenities dito. So dulo-dulo yung niya, swimming pool. Taba ng pusa dito. Ayan, swimming pool. Oh. Diba? Ganda. Swimming pool area nila.